I'm a little bit country and I'm a little bit rock and roll. I am a little bit country, a little bit of rock and roll, a little bit of rap, a little bit of all the good stuff in music and stocks. Looking at my watch list over on Yahoo Finance, we got a lot of green. Had my eye on Caterpillar earlier, but they've recovered a bit. So we'll let that go. Love Dove. Not quite down far enough for us to sell any puts on at the moment. Walgreens, we have enough Walgreens right now. Target went from red to green. Walmart's still in the red. Keep it going now. I'm waiting for Starbucks to get under $100, and I'm going to sell some puts on that son of a gun because every time we drive to the YMCA, and keep in mind, Valparaiso has a population of maybe 34,000 people, and there's approximately 5 Starbucks. One of which is on our way to the YMCA. And every morning when we pass by, there is always a long line of cars outside of the drive through. That's called the eyeball test, right, Bart? Yeah. I understand what they do. They sell coffee, they sell a lot of it to my wife, and it always is busy. So we got to get in on some of that Starbucks. We made money on it earlier. Actually, it was last year. Starbucks went down into the 80s. We bought a couple hundred shares. Then I was selling covered calls against it in my Vanguard account. And they got called away. I want to say they got called away around 100. So made some dough, a little bit of dough on that, but I want to get back in if possible and make some more dough. Keep it going now. Greens. Coterra Energy down. The other one that I was taking a look at was Valero Energy down 0.65%, 87 cents. I know that's not a lot, but because of Valero's fondness I have for it, the fondness I have for Valero, the place in my heart, like for instance, if we go over here to the Seeking and the Alpha, if we go to Stock Screener, okay, go to Stock Screener, seekingalpha.com. And here are the pre-made. So you can make your own screen, which I do all the time. Or you go down to the popular pre-made screens. Let's look at top energy stocks. Okay, click through here, top energy stocks, and voila, there it is, Valero Energy. Coming in at number 6 is Valero Energy out of San Antonio, Texas. We got all greens. It's easy to dance to. So I like Valero. It's treated me very well. And if we go to trading, that'll show us what's happening right now. What's happening? Hot stuff. I don't mess too much with companies not within the United States. So we got Marathon is down 59 cents or nearly half a point. And then Valero down 89 cents, 60.67%. So let's take a look at what type of action we can get on Valero selling some puts to our Fantasyland math that we love to do. Because right now, I only have 200 shares and I'm at an average cost of 129.61. But if we go down to history, I don't know much about, and look at that. Analyst rating 78% say buy that sucker. You got to buy that sucker right now. If we click through here, history of Valero, you can see some of the action that I have. $420 collected here. No, that's not. We collected $1,330 here, and then we bought it back for $420, putting the result into our pocket. Covered roll at $247 there. We bought this close. We bought one of these close. I think it was this one. Yeah. We bought this one close. So we earned $650 on March 23rd. And then just 5 days later, we sold those, or we bought those back for only $35 bills. So we made a huge spread there. $130 on this roll, $117 here. We made $620 on March 17th, and 3 days later, we bought it back for $160. So Valero treating us well. Let's look at the action as far as the options are concerned and see if we want to get in on this. Sell. Let's sell a put. I'm sure one day isn't going to work. Nope, that's not going to work, Bart. Probably not. I don't think I'd want to do 132 at 81 cents for one day. It would probably work. Could easily bounce tomorrow. But we want a little more risk mitigation if we go out 8 days. And I look down here in 8 days. I'm still not seeing the numbers I want to see. Let's go out 15 days. 15 days. 15 days around that 20 delta. So that'd be a 19 delta. We'd collect 128 at this very moment on 124, and it would be in 15 days. So let's just see what that math looks like. $1.28 divided by 124 is 1%. Divide that by the number of days, 15, multiply it by to get our annualized number of 25.1%. You know, it meets our 20% threshold, right? Meets the 20% threshold. Let's see. It must be wiggling its way up just a little bit. What are you doing there, Valero? 132.81. I missed it when it was down 1% today. I missed making a trade at that moment, but this is still a reasonable number. In fact, it's gone up by 1 penny since we've been discussing it. So let's just see if we can put that on the board. 15 days out, 124. Let's go 5 contracts there, and let's try to get a little more Dolla Billz. How about 132? 132 should work. That's $660. I would imagine that's going to fill right now. 62,000 in collateral. Come on now, Valero. You could fill it. Go ahead and fill. Let's see what it's doing. Take a look at Valero. Get a little update here. It is down 88 cents here. Waiting for a little update. Of course, it knows we're looking, so it's not participating. Bum, bum, bum. Do we have to replace that order? Maybe go to 131. Let's check it out. Tightened up, hasn't it? I don't see why it wouldn't fill. Let's get it. Get it on the board. Get it on the board. Come on. You can do it. It's playing hard to get. It is really playing hard to get on us, isn't it? Well, you didn't change it, Bart. That's why it didn't fill. What do you expect? Order cannot be canceled at this time. Does that mean it filled? Let's check it out. Oh, my silly phone is distracting me again. So I don't see it pending, do we? We don't see it pending. What date was that? Is that the 28th? Valero. Where are you at, Valero? There you are. You're down $10 already. Valero currently trading at 132.82. We got a 124 put in place. 5 of those contracts collected $660 bills, right? 660. So first we got the 124 times 500 shares. Wait, there's your crazy math again. Times 500. $62,000, right? So we got $62,000 on the table. And so that's our 1%. 1% on a 2-week trade. And what do we say? That's 15 days? Divided by 15 equals, multiplied by 365, 25.9%. We'll take that all day. And how often on Sunday? Twice on Sunday. That is our Valero trade. Thanks for tuning in. And I apologize, just in advance for all of the videos because I don't prepare one thought before I click record. That's obvious, Bart. I like to do it, I'm a newbie trader. I like to do it in real time with you so that as my trading philosophy and my trading psychology and my trading mindset all develop, you'll be watching it in real time. And at some point, I promise you this, at some point, I'm going to kind of figure out what I'm doing. I really, truly commit to you and to that. And so going forward, hopefully I'll get just a little millisecond or millimeter better each day to help in any way that I can if you are on the same journey I am with the stocks, the options, the dividends, all the good fun. You and I must make a pact. We're going to collect those dividends, yeah, and make some options premium along the way. I really like your singing. Not. So again, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell. Share it with a lovable friend, not like a turkey or a jackwagon, because one of the things I've learned in life is that you can't soar with the eagles if you just keep scratching around. Go, go, go. If you keep scratching around with the turkeys. So you and I, we're eagles. We got to soar together. See you in the next video.